we have a willing victim contestant, and he is going to be demonstrating how to do this handstand press up from the forward bend, and I'm just gonna be there as moral support and also to spot. And so I'd like to introduce you to our beautiful model here. Okay, come say hi. Okay, what's your name?
Hello, Kevin.
Kevin. This is Kevin. How long have you been doing yoga, Kevin?
A long time, but on and off, so.
Awesome. So he's not an expert, he's not one of these people that just every single day his whole life has been doing it, but he's about to show you that anybody can do this, and it just takes a little bit of concentration, knowing the right technique, and a spot. So that's what I'm going to do, is I'm going to spot. And also, this video is created so that you at home, if you have a friend that could actually help you to spot you here, you're going to get there faster. So, hope you try it. Here you go. Okay, so you're going to come into a forward bend. Good. Place your palms flat. Alright, so the first step here is just to be able to have your palms flat on the ground and your feet flat at the same time. So now, if you can, walk your feet up towards your hands just a little closer, and even if it requires you to lift your heels, yeah, no, that's perfect, good. And what you want to do is you want to lift your heels now. Yep, and this takes core strength, so you want to pull in your lower belly and round your spine a little bit, and just like lifting the heels and lowering them, just practicing that little movement right there, working the core, pulling your navel into your spine, and shifting your weight into the heel of your hand here. Then you want to look down between your thumbs, you want to lock down your latissimus muscles here, and kind of drag your shoulder blades down your back. So you're going to draw upon the strength of your arms all the way into your upper back and into your core here. Ground down to the heels of your hands, and we're going to shift your weight forward so that your hips rise above your shoulders. So, shifting the weight into the heels of your hands, I want you to lift your heels, right, and just do a little hop. So see if you can just hop, yep, and press into the palms. Hop, good, keep doing it, a couple more times. Lift the hips, good, engage the core, ground down through the heel of the hand, lift your legs straight, good. Now press the balls of the feet up, ground into your palms, breathe, engage your bandhas. Beautiful, he's doing it. Now how we come down is a pike control with a lower the legs with control with the feet pike down, slow. Yeah, so as you practice, you're going to be able to get that a little bit better. But basically, when you come into the handstand, right, and then lower slow. That was awesome. Yes.